So how many times have you like checked these YouTube videos and got it?
500-600 times. My biggest one was that rocket one, Max rocket.
Like what is that?
That is a Max rocket. You must put a foil on the starting of a matchstick where the brown material is there. That is barood. You must put aluminium foil there, and then you must put little bit oil inside and outside, and just burn it. And because of the oil, aluminium foil will burn, and aluminium foil is a metal, it shouldn't burn, still it burns, and because of the particle it creates sparks like this, and it just takes off like this. But it's very short, that's why it couldn't go far, it just goes like this. Finish. After that, because of the speed, it just goes through air and just falls off. If you are doing an open space, otherwise it will crash somewhere, like it happened with me. It happened that it like fullered is there, no sparks happened, then this much big fire was there, very small and like this, and it was in the air, no, so when it went off, the left of fire also went off before crashing, because it was in the air and it was in a lot of speed. And for that I put it on the basin sill so that it could take off, or else you need a paper clip. And one thing you need is that fullery silver material is there, no, with bones. You need that. So I had left one fullery. I took whole silver material, barood, and put into the aluminium foil so that it could burn better. It really worked. They had also put borax powder, not borax. They had put soap and some material like he put on his hand to burn into it so that it could flow, but I didn't have, so I put my brains and I have put that fullery's material so that it could flow. And it flew very well. Just if I had done in an open area, it would be better. So my next experiment is green fire. I took green vim and blue vim and mixed it, and I also took some matchsticks to put in it, and then I just put it in that. You get fireworks paper. When you buy any fireworks, there is a paper that burns into blue fire. If you mix it with all these things, it will get blue fire, and suddenly it will get purple, and then it will get green fire. But one precaution, please hold it with a material which is non-burnable. Please don't hold it with your hand because it burns very quick. Till here the water was full. It was filled till here. I put the fullery, because of that it came till here, till up. Then when the fullery was coming to the end, it had bursted, and the whole of water came till here and here, and it was only this much water left. Up water because of the blast came till here. I covered the fullery with aluminium.
How?
Only fullery. Top part of the fullery wasn't in the water. So top part of the fullery was burning, and the whole of the fullery was covered with aluminium foil. So slowly it started burning inside the aluminium foil, which was inside the water. The top part, which wasn't covered, wasn't in the water. So the bottom part bursted, and it all came out. All the water and the particles also came out from this mouth. Actually, it was a successful but tragic experiment. The fullery should successfully burn inside the water without distinguishing until the fullery is fully finished. It burnt until the last point. It fully finished. Just in the last it bursted. It shouldn't burst. That was a tragedy, but my experiment worked. It worked. Let's show you my pet.
What's his name?
Toto.